Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to make these beautiful rainbows, or anything really, because the principle is the same, with Just For You Online UK's Eco Pour. Basically it's a powder and you just add water. For every 100 grams of powder you would add 35 grams of water. So here we go, mixing it up, so simple, and you can colour it with any kind of water-based ink, acrylic paint, mica powders, have a good play. Anything you can use with a similar product you could use with this. So here we are just mixing this. We've used a blue and black because we wanted to get dark blue. We're going to be using Just For You Online UK's crystal chips and a little bit of gold foil. Here we're placing some of the gold foil straight onto the mould. This creates such a lovely effect when unmoulded. And then we'll pop some of these beautiful crystal chips from Just For You Online UK too. Really add something special. They elevate something to make it look a little bit more luxurious. So here for the pour, we'll just pour all of that in. Then you want to just gently tap the moulds onto your desk to lift any air bubbles, and then we'll pop them gently and then let it set. You can unmould this product in 30 minutes, but you would need to leave it then 24 hours to fully cure. But here you have it. We did have to sand to get the chips to stand out a little bit because they got lost in a little bit of the Eco Pour, but there we have it, our beautiful rainbow. If you'd like to have a go at making this or something similar, feel free to use our 15% discount code, Millie's Gift Shop, from anything from Just For You's online store. And for more tips, please follow at Just For You Online UK on Instagram and our page at Millie's Gift Shop 01, also on Instagram. Thank you for watching.